Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen tech that promises to bridge the gap between heavy-duty cooking and portable convenience. This is the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop. If you have been searching for a solution for an RV, a small apartment, or just an extra burner for holiday hosting, you might want to pay close attention to this one. Let us start with the design. This is a 24-inch unit that stands out because of its portability. It features ergonomic handles on both sides, which makes it incredibly easy to move from your countertop to an outdoor kitchen or even a campsite. The build quality feels solid with a stainless steel frame and a premium black glass surface. It is scratch-resistant and surprisingly easy to wipe down, which is a major win for anyone who hates scrubbing burnt food off their stove. What makes this cooktop stand out is how you interact with it. Many portable units force you to rely on complicated touch interfaces that can be finicky. The Karinear gives you the best of both worlds. It has a sensor touch control panel but pairs it with front-side rotary knobs. This tactile feedback is a game changer for fine-tuning your heat. Whether you are dialing it in by power level from 0 to 9, or by temperature settings ranging from 400 to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the control feels precise and very intuitive. Performance-wise, you are looking at a total output of 2000 watts. Since it is a 110-volt plug-and-play unit, you do not need an electrician to wire it into your wall. You just set it on a flat surface, plug it in, and you are ready to sear, boil, or simmer. Because this uses ceramic heating technology, it is compatible with almost any cookware you have in your cabinet, including glass, ceramic, iron, and stainless steel. It is also worth noting that this is not induction, so if you are someone who prefers to avoid electromagnetic radiation or you do not want to replace your non-magnetic pots and pans, this is a fantastic alternative. Safety is clearly a priority here. We have a child safety lock to prevent any accidental activation, which is a must-have for families. There is also an overheat protection system and a residual heat indicator that displays a warning until the glass is cool enough to touch. Plus, the built-in timer allows you to set your cooking duration for up to 240 minutes. This means you can walk away from a slow simmer without worrying about burning your dinner. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the combination of knobs and touch controls is excellent for usability. The portability with those handles makes it perfect for people who move frequently or have limited counter space. The installation is non-existent, which saves you a lot of time and money. On the downside, because it relies on standard 110-volt power, it will not heat up quite as aggressively as a heavy-duty 220-volt kitchen range, but for a portable unit, the power is very competitive. In conclusion, the Karinear 2-burner cooktop is a reliable, versatile, and well-built tool. It offers a great mix of modern aesthetics and traditional cooking control. Whether you are living in a tiny home or just need an extra burner for the big family dinner, this is a solid investment. If you want to check out the current pricing or grab one for your own kitchen, I have provided everything you need below. Link in the description.